Today I'm checking out this rolling tool chest that was sent to me so I can do the review. Let me get it out of the box and we'll check it out. All right, so this is everything out of the box. You've got the main bottom piece here, the top piece, the locking arms that go in the toolboxes to lock them, a manual, some pegboard pieces, the casters, and the little handle on the side there that also holds like screwdrivers, things that can slide down in it. Everything's here. I'm gonna get it put together. We'll try it out. Here it is all put together. I got the casters put on the bottom. Those just slide in. I got this handle put on the side. That was just 2 screws that you put in there. The little handle put on here. And that's pretty much it. So I do have some tools I put in here just to give a reference on how big this is. So you can see I put a little bit here. This is how you lock it. So you can just take this out if you're not going to lock it. Some screwdrivers I had laying around the shop. They do have a lock push in here, so when you push it in, the drawers stay locked. So there's a little kind of catch to it. I just put some tools that, like I said, I had laying around. They do have these ball bearing slides here, so they do slide pretty good. And this one here, same thing, you can lock it. Then it has a good sized drawer here. Got some pipe wrenches, tape measure. And then down here in the bottom, just open this up. It does come with a metal shelf. You can see here it's got little tabs so you can adjust the height of the shelf. I just put it at the top. And then even cooler, on the door here, you've got like some pegboard or peg holes like you would have in pegboard, and it comes with these little pegboard pieces, and you can hang stuff off of them just to give you a little bit more tool storage, really. All in all, pretty nice for the price. This is a great little toolbox. Should be able to last for many, many years and hold all the tools you would need for, say, a garage or, you know, small little workshop. All right, well, I hope this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.